guys, it's your girl Lydia Wendy's, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my tacos. I'm going to use beef, that is ground beef, so I'm going to use the minced one, and it's 500 grams, so yep, stay tuned and don't go away. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the Instant Pot to start with. I'm going to press the button, and yeah, we should start in a minute. There we are. Okay, so it's on right now as I speak. Okay, so I'm gonna go for salty button. Okay, there you are. So I went for that button, and I'm gonna keep it on 30. That is the most it can be. So usually if you it's on, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, let's start off with this and see how it goes. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna defrost it fast. Okay, and yeah, we'll be frying it together. Alright guys, so still stirring in this, and it's kind of defrosting right now, and the reason why it's defrosting well without sticking on the pot, how I got rid of those bits, I used that vinegar, white vinegar, yeah, to get rid of them. I sprayed a little bit, and yeah, okay. Alright, I'm gonna put some salt, and that's just about okay, that is 2 liters. Okay, yeah, that is the purple one. Sorry, I'm gonna put 2.5 mils. Right. I'm gonna put some curry, and that is roughly 5 mils. Okay, so yeah, and stir that. Right, and I'm gonna put some red peppers. Right, that's it. Alright guys, I didn't show you, but I just put some tomatoes. Okay, yeah, I forgot to show you. Literally, I forgot. Okay. Alright, that's some tomato puree. So I'm gonna squeeze a little bit. Okay. And turn that around. Okay guys, I'm gonna put 250 mils, alright, and I'm gonna make sure I clean out with that. Yeah, so 250 mils of tomatoes and 250 of water, and that is it. I'm gonna start I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna stop that, okay? And what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna cover it, right? That is where, there we go. So it's locked. And what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna press steam. Okay, and that is yeah, it's on 15, and then we just start automatically. So I just have to wait for this. That's all. So you can, hello guys. As you can see now, it's finished, and I'm gonna squeeze that. Okay, let me just do it that side. I'm gonna release, okay? There you go, okay? Yep. Alright guys, so it was warming, so that's 13 minutes past ever since I let the vent out, let the steam out. So now I'm gonna cancel that. Alright, so having canceled that, I'm gonna open that. Okay, alright, just want to drop this water, right, and then put that aside. That is our food. It's ready. Doesn't look bad at all. I like it. Okay, it's still got lots of soup in it. I think I don't know if I should cook it a little bit more to get rid of the soup, but it won't go. But anyways, let's just I'm confused. Alright guys, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of oil right here, and I'm gonna put that, okay, just turn it around until I feel that's what I want, then I'll take it out. Alright, I'm gonna turn that around, and I think I like this already. Okay, yeah, I think it's already toasty. Then put it there, put some more of that. There we go. Guys, that's what came out. Yep, and that is it, right? And that's the salad that I made for this, okay? And those are the fillings. So I'm gonna do this, right? Right. Let's drain that. And just dump it there. Okay. And just put that there. And just have some cheese on there. As much as we can. There we go. And some salad. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put it on one plate. Guys, because of the instant pot, to have some soup in there, but I'm gonna drain it, okay? I'll keep draining it and I'll use it to cook another day. So I'll drain it, yeah. That's no problem with me. Yep. And just because I love this. Whoa. But it came with some soup. Okay, my draining wasn't very effective. Okay, I love it. I love the soup anyway, so I don't have a problem with that. Yep. Okay. Some cheese. Right. Okay, there's cheese over there, and I'm gonna go with some of that. Right. A little bit more. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put some chicken ham. Okay, 2 of them, and then I'm gonna go for some. I think we're gonna go for some salad. Right, the kids say they love the soup in there. They know how to fidget with that, so it keeps dripping and they love it. That I'll put it there.
I want a lot.
You want a lot? Okay. Yeah, I cut this salad off camera because I was in a rush. Okay, but it was just garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Okay.
And onion.
This is some coriander, okay, and some mozzarella cheese, okay. Yep. Yeah, I put it in one corner. I hope he doesn't mind.
Mozzarella cheese.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to press that notification bell below so you can be notified every time there's a new video. Thank you very much. Bye. Okay, yeah, that is my tacos, okay?